Okay, so this next one I thought I'd just show you how a little bit more of an in-depth view again on how to use Google Forms. So I just Googled Google Forms and it comes up on this page. So this is the forms. From here, I think we want to be using personal. So we go to Google Forms. Now I noticed when I tried to do this before, I was going to make a Dauntsies login, but I actually didn't need to. If I just went and typed in my Dauntsies, my Dauntsies email address, then it took me to the Dauntsies sign in page. I don't know if it'll do it again here. Yeah, it does. So it takes me to the Dauntsies sign in page, and then I just put in my regular password and username and sign in, and there we go. Okay, so now when you're on here, again, this is a really easy thing to use. So for example, if we want a worksheet, I think that's going to be the one we're going to use most of the time. So if I go here, I'm going to create a worksheet. Now if you're feeling like it, you can play around with some of these bits at the top. Okay, got it. You can speed that up, you can change pictures, you can do whatever you want. You can put in videos into this if you really want to. So you could add a video part if you wanted them to watch a video first and then do the questions. It's up to you. Alright, so I'm going to name this Simple Addition. Okay. And then I'm going to call this IJH 1B1. Maybe put in the date, so maybe I want them to do it on the 24th of the 3rd. Okay, cool. All right, so from here, now it comes up. Now there's a lot of stuff here that I then like to delete because I don't really want it in there. So this is a question, I want that. Email, don't really care about that. So if you just go onto it and then you find the bin bit, there you go, get rid of that. This bit, the image title bit, don't really want that either. This is all like preset stuff. I do like this because I like to ask them how they're finding things at the end. That introduction stuff, that can go. That one, long answer, we don't need that either. And that's the repeating one, so I don't want that. Okay, so pretty much here, all I've got is 2 questions at the moment. The last bit, I'm going to do the how did you find this worksheet? Option 1, easy. 2, moderate. 3, hard. I need help. Okay, there we go. So that's multiple choice. Now with this first question, this is where this first question I might do 8 plus 5. Okay, get rid of that bit that says name. Okay. Now if I want a short answer, here it comes up short answer. It says short answer text, so that's how the students would input their answer. You don't need to put anything in that spot at all. Then it says response validation has been added. So this is where you can add in, an error if you want them to put that in. So if we say number is number, so we might go equal to, if it's not equal to 13, then we tell them do this, try this one again. Lots of exclamation marks at the end. Okay. And then I'll just show you what that would look like. So now if we go up and up here, I'm going to, no, where is it? Preview. So preview that, okay? You can see here, if we go simple additions, the first question, I type in 13, that's all good. If I type in 12, it says try this one again, there you go, all done. If I go back, get out of the preview. Beautiful. Now for the next one, maybe I want to put that one in as a, oh sorry, I should have explained how I did that, that was terrible. Okay, so if you want to do another question, there's this button down the bottom that just says duplicate, and you just press that and it'll just duplicate the same question, and then you just edit the numbers or whatever else you want to put in. So if you go duplicate, now for example, if we want to do solve 16 plus 23, now I might want some multiple choice ones. So I can put in options. So my option 1 might be, or what would be a common error for that? We'll go 29. another one, we might go why is that not typing? This one, no. Okay, sorry. My next one might be 49. My next one might be 39. And then my next one might be, we'll do one that's really going to be obviously super wrong. We'll go 80. Okay. Or we might go 50. Ooh. So I got rid of my 39. 39 and 50. Okay, now I don't want a fifth option. I don't want another one. Okay, so there we go. There's 4 options. So then they can do that. And again, I'll show you what that looks like. There you go. Cool. Now all the ones with the star, that means they're required. If you want them to do one that maybe isn't required, down the bottom you just turn that tab off to say not required there. Okay. If you wanted to, I'm just going to duplicate this again, say you wanted to add in an image, you just go to that image sign in there, comes up, says insert image. I'm just going to put in anything. I have no idea what this is. Okay, there you go. There's your image. And you can adjust it, make it bigger and smaller if you want. It doesn't have to be that large. Okay. So that's just a couple of things you can do. Again, you can put in a video if you want. You can put in more sections. You can import questions. So if you go through, sometimes it might be good to go through. It might be like Google for. Sorry, you can't actually see what I'm typing at the moment. I'm typing Google Forms worksheets. Oh, this is just where I was before. I'm pretty sure you should be able to find some a resource where there's somewhere you can get like any worksheets that anyone's made. Anyway, if I can find that, I'll send you the link, but you might just be able to search one like algebra worksheet and then it might actually come up and you might be able to use it. Okay, all right, well, I think that's pretty much the basics on Google Forms. If you need anything else or you want to know anything else, let me know. For typing in formulas, I think the best thing would be to do is if you type it in on Microsoft Word and then you snippy the formula and put that into the question. I was thinking about it earlier. I reckon that's the best way of doing it. Okay. All right. Okay. Thanks very much. I'm getting tired now, so this might be it for today. Okay. Bye.